torrential downpour. Aurora, Colorado's getting totally hit right now. God. I think we're under a flash flood warning. Oh my God, look at the water. Major storms hitting Aurora, guys. Holy crap. This was unexpected. I was just working on a video in Windows Movie Maker and look, all of a sudden I see this out my window. I think we're under a flood warning, guys. This is looking really ugly. Oh my God, August 18, 2018, major freaking storms. Man, what time is it? It is, let me go back in the house for a moment. Let's find out what time it is. Yeah. Get back out there in a moment. It's 10:56 p.m. right now. Oh, I heard another lightning. Move, cat. That was beefy. $10:57 p.m. right now. Oh my God! What's going on with Aurora? Oh my God! Man, today's storm is really bad. We have 2 rainstorms today, and look at how big this one is. Oh! I think the next month or so we're gonna get some pretty scary storms. I'm preparing for it. This is definitely one of them. Holy crap. Guys, oh man. The road's starting to flood like it did 4 days ago. What is this? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Severe rainstorm. Oh my God. Man. Really coming down. Be filming probably for about 3 more minutes. Oh my god. Holy crap. And this is a really, really bad one. Man, the streets are flooding, literally. I bet the pool water is evaporating right now. I mean, it's even worse than my phone shows right now. It's even worse than my phone wants to show. Even worse than you might think right now. I mean, I just wish you guys could see the whole storm so far. This is so crazy. Oh, come on, phone. Load, load. Come on, come on. Sorry, my phone. There we go. I'll get a couple more lightnings and then I think we'll stop the video. Man, this is an intense storm. I wasn't expecting it to thunder again tonight. Oh my god. I think we're supposed to get thunderstorms tomorrow too, I think. Oh my god, I hope it's not as bad as this one. This is a pretty bad one. August 18th and 18th. Oh man. I wish my phone would just not do that. It's so annoying. Oh, that was a good one too! Dumb phone. Come on! Bummer, man! This is starting to really suck. Phone is so damn sleepy. Oh my god. I'm gonna capture a few more lightnings actually to make up for what happened. I'm gonna try to get some pretty bad ones if I can. Man. It's like a dark yellowish color. It's kind of creepy. You can see it slightly. Whoa! The entire sky turned purple. I'll go ahead and get one more lightning and we'll stop the video. It'll probably take like almost an hour to upload to YouTube. I apologize if it's late. And tomorrow sometime I'm probably going to have to upload it on my backup account. I'll upload it on VK and my main account tonight. Oh! That was a good one! Hope I caught that one. Okay. Whoa! That was pretty loud too. Oh my god. I might have to do another video if it gets worse. I'll let you guys know. That's 10 minutes of the storm. I said I'd make a 10-minute weather video right now because this is just insane. We're getting insane thunderstorm. See you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go and end it here.